am Kairaba, your teacher favorite baby. First, sorry for my English is a little, my pronunciation is difficult for me. I try. Today, help me my notebook, the pronunciation, okay? Sorry. Okay, let's start. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to sew a midi skirt goddess style, but with less flair so it's elegant and very wearable. The sewing pattern is already available on my website from size XM or 3XL. In this video, I guide you step by step down the construction process. Specialty is you already printing your pattern piece at home. So here are my pattern pieces. Let's move to the cutting table and start assembling and sewing our skirt. Okay, already, let's begin. This is the pattern bundle. Is you already printing in? Let me explain how it works. On the first page, you fill an explanation of each line and which side it corresponds to. They also allow your guide showing you how to assemble the page correctly. On the second page, you see the side share in both centimeters and inches. You will also find fabric recommendation and how much fabric you need depending on your size. Now it's time to assemble the pattern. On assembly, choose the size you need and carefully cut along the side line. Each pattern piece clearly indicates how many times it needs to be cut. The side range, whether it's the front or the back, and the name of the piece, in this case, the midi goddess style skirt. This pattern is available from UK size 6 up to say 20 seats. To show your size, refer to measurement chart. Size. This is a skirt. You only need to measure your weight and height to select the correct size. Once you chosen your size, we're ready to cut the fabric. To choose your size, you need to measure your weight and your height. In my case, I've been working with a size 20. Why? Because my weight measure is 102 centimeters and my height measure 113 centimeters. Remember, your measure won't always match perfectly between sizes. If your height measure fall into a large size but your weight fits a smaller size, focus on the waist measure. You don't want the width to be too loose. Is the hip store or is slightly bigger, that no problem in the case. Since this is a skirt, it's actually nice to have a bit of moment and flow. Okay, here I already have all my pattern piece cut out. I use a fabric called Challis. It has stitching on the right side and a matte finish on the wrong side. Before cutting your fabric, always check the stretch and make sure you're using the correct needle for the machine. In this case, I overload all the right edge because this fabric tends to fray and cut easily. If you don't have an overlock, you can simply finish the edge, use a zip-side stitch or your domestic sewing machine. Right. Now let's move over to the sewing machine and start assembling the skirt. These are the front pieces and we're going to sew them together. Always place the fabric right side facing each other and sew using an string stretch. Remember to the back string at the beginning and at the end to the secure the seam. Right sole will join the front piece first and the will move on the back piece. Okay, now I use the invisible zipper. I see. Okay, open the fabric and invisible zipper stay here. Okay, now open the zipper and okay. Okay, finish the sew an invisible zipper in the skirt. Okay, I finished. Now I sew the waistband. Remember the right fabric and right fabric. Okay, and right fabric. Now sew this. Now sew this is the waistband. This, and close the waistband. You see? Yes. Okay, now go the machine and sew the waistband, the skirt. Right. I've now attached the waistband use a straight stitch. If you have a little bit of excess fabric here, don't worry, we're simply going to trim it off and make it even. Okay. Next, open out the waistband and we're going to press this allowance toward the waistband. Then we'll sew a touch stitch along the edge to secure everything nearly in place. Here I have finished the sewing. Okay, this is how it's look on the right side and this is the wrong side. Now it only needs pressing. At the bottom I sew the hem. The hem is very simple. You fold the fabric in by half a centimeter and the another half a centimeter to make 1 centimeter in total. I stitched the hem by machine, but you can also sew its hem. It's you perfect. Now let's spread it pull the skirt on so you can see how it looks when home. Okay, so what do you think? How did the skirt turn on? I really like it. This is my first skirt in the fabric. I need to correct something. The fabric is not challis. I'm sorry. I make a mistake. The fabric is satin. The fabric is satin. Satin is not very easy to wear with because you have to press it often. It creates cute easily and I don't really enjoy ironing. So I don't usually make clothes in the fabric, but I really like how this skirt turned out. I also want to say sorry if my English was not very clear. I truly love the English language. I watched series, I studied it, and I practice. When I come for me, it is something easier to understand English than to speak it. I don't really have many people to practice speaking with, and because I love sewing, many of my viewers are from other country. I decided to start practice here on my YouTube channel. If only you start today is the 2nd of March 2026. I don't know when you you be watching this video, but this is where my journey began. So you see my progress little by little. I also want to say that I mean no offense by making content in my English. I'm from Colombia and speaking is my first language. Sorry, it's Spanish. Spanish is my first language. I will truly appreciate your support. Please subscribe to my channel if you like to see more sewing videos. And remember, this sewing pattern is available on my website. Thank you so much for watching. I see you in the next video.